What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to send videos from your camera roll as snaps on Snapchat. First, open your Snapchat app and take a quick video. It doesn't have to be long or perfect, this is just to access the edit screen. Record a short video even if it's just a couple of seconds. And once you're done, Snapchat will take you to the edit screen automatically. On the edit screen, look at the bottom left corner of your screen. You will see a plus icon. Tap on this plus icon. This opens a new screen where you can add more content to your snap. On the right hand side of the screen, you will see an option with a photo icon and a plus sign at the bottom of the list. This is the Import Media button. Tap on it. This button allows you to access videos and photos from your camera roll. Once you tap on the Import Media button, you'll be taken to your camera roll. From here, select the video you want to send as a snap. After selecting your video, you'll have the option to preview it. If needed, you can trim the video or make minor adjustments. Once you're happy with the video, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner to add it to your snap. Snapchat will now process and prepare your video for editing. On the screen, you might still see the initial video you recorded on Snapchat, but you probably don't want to send that. To remove it, tap on the first video at the bottom left and then select the trash icon in the middle of the screen to delete it. Confirm by tapping Delete Clip. Now you're left with just the video you imported from your camera roll. Tap Preview in the bottom right corner. This brings you to the final editing stage, where you can add text, stickers or drawings to your snap. Once you're satisfied with your snap, tap Send To at the bottom right. Choose the friends or groups you want to send it to and then tap Send. Just like that, the video from your camera roll has been sent as a snap. It will appear to your recipient as if you've sent a normal snap, and they will see the delivered confirmation. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.